a new arrival at DK Engineering. This is the Ferrari 500 Testa Rossa chassis 0614 MDTR, affectionately known in the Ferrari circles as the Lost Testa Rossa. Found by a friend of the family's, Bruce Levarchek, in America after a 2-decade-long search. He successfully purchased the car in 1988, and it wasn't until 2013 that the car made its way to DK for a total restoration. That was carried out between 2013 and 2015 and completed. Thereafter, it's been raced at Goodwood on the front cover of Cavallino, and it has been the best of show at Salon Privé. In 2020, it was Classiche certified at the factory, which took 1 year in total, where they deemed it to be eligible and to receive a full Red Book certification. The car is in as restored condition as you'd expect. Of course, it is a classic redhead Testa Rossa Ferrari, absolutely beautiful to look at, a baby 860 Monza if you like, and steeped with a great history. This was the 1956 New York Motor Show car. It was also raced by Carroll Shelby, who won in it. It raced at the Cuban Grand Prix in 1957 with the then owner, William Helburn, who was a fantastic photographer of the time, the Rio camera for his time, if you like. And he drove for Luigi Chinetti with a co-driver that was none other than Olivier Gendebien, a factory works driver that he shared the car with at the Cuban Grand Prix in 1957. Gendebien went on to win Le Mans in 1958, so he was a fantastic works Ferrari driver. And the car continued to race until around about 1960. So it's a car steeped in history, absolutely sensational to look at, great on the road, great to race, perfect for the Mille Miglia, perfect for Goodwood, perfect for Pebble Beach, and available for sale today at DK Engineering. Please let us know if you'd like any more information.